Hello everybody, and welcome back to my English tropical garden, where today I'm indoors. Well, actually I'm in my conservatory, where I'm going to be showing you this magnificent plant of mine. It's a Monstera Deliciosa, or Swiss cheese plant. I'm really pleased with it. It's doing so well. Not too long ago I'll give it a good soaking because it seems to be very thirsty, and I'll give it some general purpose indoor plant fertiliser. And it is coming on in leaps and bounds. In fact, it's started to grow some new leaves. Not just one, but it's got 4. This is, I don't think you could really call this a leaf yet, but I know it is the start of a leaf. It's just making its way through that main stem of the leading leaf there, the big one there. But if we look down here, a little bit further down, hidden away underneath these other leaves, there's a new one, gradually unfurling or unfolding if you like. And over here we've got another one, a little tiny baby one there, just starting off. And over here, of course, I'm going to show you another one. There it is. In fact, if I go around the other side, we can take a better look at that one. So follow me, off we go. And just move this one out of the way a bit. There it is. It's always pleasing, isn't it, when you notice one of your special plants is doing so well, which this one is. I don't move it, I don't put it outside, I just leave it where it is because it's actually it's too big to move. It's in a stone pot, I mean it's so heavy. I just give it a good watering every once in a while, let it dry out, and then water it again. Give it a mist every day. I give it a good misting, and it does really well. Thanks so much for watching this latest video of mine, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you again next time when I may be outside. Perhaps I might be inside too. Anyway, thanks again, see you next time, bye for now.